Hey everybody, it's Brian from Cruisin with the Colemans, and Michelle's behind the camera today. And today we are cooking with the Colemans. It is a cold, rainy, wet day here at the campground, and we want something easy for dinner that is good comfort food. So it's a Crockpot meal. So this is Crockpot taco soup. And it's a great recipe because you just dump everything in. That was a pound of hamburger with taco seasoning. Here's about a cup and a half of corn. This is fresh corn that I froze back during sweet corn season. So got a cup and a half of that. And now I just dump in all these cans with their juices. Don't drain them. That's 2 cans of tri-beans, 1 can of Great Northern White beans, and 1 can of tomatoes. These are diced tomatoes. If you like a little more spice, use the tomatoes that have the chilies put in. And now I'm going to take that can and rinse it out with some water and do about a can full of water, which would be about 2 cups. So that goes on there. And then a packet of ranch seasoning mix. Now remember, I also had a packet of taco mix in the meat. And now I take that whole thing and I stir it up together. And we're gonna put it on low for 8 hours, or you can put it on high for about 4 hours. And serve it with some sour cream, some shredded cheese, some tortilla chips or corn chips, and you've got a great dinner that goes well for a cold campfire.
Now I just need Fritos to dip in my taco soup.